Good morning, Tux. We're a little cooler here today, but not much. It's going to be 60 instead of 70. We don't need it being 80. You know how it'll skyrocket the heat here as soon as it even thinks about being springtime. Morris has been letting me get a little closer. A little closer. Good morning, boys. Hi, Stripe. Hi, Morris. Hi. It's another pretty morning.
Yes, it is. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be like 60 something.
60 today instead of 70, but we'll take it.
That's rough. Rough life.
You coming, Tux? Okay, let's go. We'll have to get you to start walking with me.
Yeah, I might have to. We used to walk.
Well, yeah, I need really pretty days.
Yeah, it was always easy on the nice day.
Yep. My amaryllis is opening. It's close. It's looking really pretty. I am headed to meet Michelle at Guardian Angel. It sure is going to be good to see her. It always seems so long in between our Guardian Angel shopping, even though it's usually a week or sometimes even less. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing Michelle. Hey girl, you in Sean's car today? Huh? You in Sean's car today? Yep. That's why I didn't know you were here. I was like, she's not here yet. I'll just sit in this warm sun for a minute.
I said I better get out of here because I better get out of the car because I knew you probably wouldn't know.
Yeah, well, I see that it's Sean's car now, but that sure wasn't what I was looking for by default.
Exactly.
Michelle just heard that Miss Laura may have put out some new jewelry next door, so she's moving quick. She's moving quick. Other side. Thank you. I got the buggy, obviously. Come on, woman, come on. Yeah, I know. But I assume you'll put a different something in it. It's not about the doll, it's about the case, right? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Those look like made in Germany extra special nutcrackers. They're new here this week. They're getting ready to put out Easter stuff. They just brought out a whole cart of baskets. That hasn't been opened. It's an ant farm. At one point in my life, I had one of those with the boys, but I think we're past that now. But it's a good deal at $5. This is some sort of video disc, Select-Division RCA. Techmoan would know about this. Unfortunately, we don't have a way to play it, but they've got some really great ones in there. Michelle's having a good time looking at stuffies, and I've looked for Legos, and I'm sad to report no Legos today. Well, I think we looked at every shirt. They have a lot of new long sleeve men's stuff, but like I told Michelle, Dawn just doesn't have enough places to go to wear it. Wow, an antique Victrola. Is that how you say it? I think so. Comes with spare needles and everything. Look at that. Wow. I think I have to. It says, ask me about the cute thing my cat did, because I'll tell you anyway. It's pretty cute. It has a little black kitty on the back side. It's $1. I think it's going home. We'll chalk this up to the things that you find at the thrift store. Alright, we walked around for a bit and they did put a few Easter things out, but they're still working on it. It's going on 1 p.m. So Michelle and I were in there 10:30, 11, 12:30. Yeah, about 2.5 hours today. I got to get home and get ready for robotics now. She's up front picking up a bar stool kind of a chair. Well, I see they were wrong about the temperature. It's 67 out there. Probably gonna hit 70. It's only 1 p.m. so it's pretty again. Very, very pretty out there. There's Ruby girl. She's out of the garage because Johnny's got Taekwondo tonight, so I didn't pull her in when I came home from Guardian Angel. I did my demo for robotics and it worked right the very first time. So then I did it a couple more times just to prove to the boys that it wasn't that simple, because I didn't want them to get that impression, because it really wasn't that simple. Don and I are headed to the landfill. It's just too pretty out here to not go for a ride, and we really need to take the trash because we have all that stuff from up the hill, plus our regular stuff, and we need eggs, and it's going on 5 o'clock, but we're headed to the landfill. Don doesn't want to go on the weekend, and I don't either. Wow, you got lucky. Not a lot of people here. Your choice of parking. Well, as is usually the case, it got busy while we were here. The guy told Don he was just lucky that he had a few minutes to himself because they've been out into the street several times today. Farm fresh eggs, ready to load up. We're steering clear of the candy, but we did take home quite a few bags of the nuts. I don't believe I've ever had me any persimmon jam. And I've had muscadine cider, but not preserves. So we got home from the landfill.
Yep.
And Don was a good boy, and he went up the hill and he grabbed some more of that garbage for me.
You.
So I guess we'll be going to the landfill sooner than later again, probably.
Yeah, that was a stinky job she gave me.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I appreciate not having to look at the trash, so
Yeah,
thank
well,
you.
Looking and smelling. You smelled it long before you looked at it.
Well, I made you nice nachos, and I got steak and onions cooking right now, so, you know, I'm trying to make it up to you for having to deal with the trash.
She did great. Yeah, big old plate of nachos. It was the Shaquille O'Neal size.
And I only ate a little bit.
Yeah, I ate plenty.